Okay, so this is the prototype board of how the system is supposed to work like. So we have the Arduino with batteries and sensors and control lights over here, pump and water bottle. So this is the watering hose, so this goes somewhere in the pot where we find convenient. There's a couple of sensors for the humidity to control how much water we're going to administer to the plant. If we want less watering, we can keep it right underneath the watering hose. If we want to saturate the plant with more water, we can keep it somewhere more on the side, and we can experiment and determine where is the best location for this little guy. There's additional sensor. Shouldn't be required unless the plant is watered too much, because this guy goes in the plate between the pot and the plate, so it can detect if water overflows here. Obviously we don't want a whole bunch of water down here, so this guy is going to detect if there is any significant water level in the plate. And that's pretty much all the setup. Then we can just pretty much turn it on. And now what it's going to do is it is going to take readings every 5 seconds from both sensors. As long as the sensors indicate humidity in the green zone, it is going to administer water. It's going to administer just a little bit of water at a time, so there's enough time for the water to permeate in the soil and the sensors to detect the change of humidity. So every 5 seconds it's gonna read the humidity level from both of these sensors, and right now it's set up for every 15 seconds to decide whether to administer water or not. Of course, this can be changed. So right now we have the green indicator light, meaning that there is more water to be administered until we're happy with the watering. Like I mentioned, we can play with this sensor here, and if we say, oh, we just want to keep a very low level of humidity, we can just move this guy around closer to the watering hose, and we can actually see the indicator lights reflect immediately the level of humidity. So right now the yellow light is on. That means that it is almost at the border between having sufficient water and not to terminate the watering. So probably in a few cycles here we're gonna see that it is going to say, oh, that's sufficient water. Based on the reading of the sensor, it's gonna decide to stop administering more water. There's a manual operation button as well, so it can be triggered on and off from here. Again, it's gonna just administer water for 5 seconds, no matter if it's triggered by the automation or the button. It's just gonna do 5 seconds increments of water, just so that it allows enough time for the sensor to get a new accurate reading and be able to use that to decide whether to administer water or not. So that's pretty much it. Now either we can wait a couple of cycles to just see how the red light is going to be on, or if we can just dig this guy in a little bit, we're going to see the red light come on immediately on, and that basically means, yep, there's enough water, no more water is going to be administered. Even if we try to manually put some more water, that's not going to be allowed because the humidity is too much. If we just go a little bit to the side here, so that it's in the yellow zone again, that is going to allow us to administer more water. So right now it's right between yellow and red, so it's not going to let us. In yellow it is going to let us just a little bit more water, and any moment now it's going to just turn red and stop allowing to administer more water. Yep, that's pretty much it.